destroyed a third time. The Jewish people are still waiting for the Messiah to come. They didn't believe that that was Jesus that was born of a virgin and that walked the earth and that suffered and died on the cross. That was Jesus that came and died and suffered for us. So a lot's going on. A lot's going on in the world. A lot's going on in our own families, in our own lives. But the one thing that's always consistent, God is the same yesterday, today, and tomorrow. The scriptures even say that. He's never changing. We change, but he doesn't.